Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my night routine. Once I'm done work, I have my dinner and then I like to go on a walk. This is something that I've started doing recently and it has helped me so much. I'm not gonna lie, when I'm heading out the door, I really don't feel like going, but I force myself, and once I'm back home, I feel so refreshed and energized. Honestly, it has been life-changing for me. Once I'm back home, I like to drink some water and then I'm going to have a treat. I have a huge sweet tooth, so I need something sweet every single night. Today's pick are these chocolate covered almonds, which are really good, by the way. And now I am going to play some video games. Recently, I've been playing Kirby. You guys know how much I love Kirby. I've done so many DIYs on Kirby. And even when I was a kid, like whenever I would play Super Smash Bros., like Kirby was the character I would pick. So yeah, definitely a favorite of mine. And I've also been playing Alba. I know this has been out for some time, but I just bought it and I really like this game because it's super relaxing and like you don't have to do much. So that's why I really like it after a long day. It's just very relaxing to play. It's about 8:30 now, so I am going to start getting ready for bed. First, I'm going to turn on my lights because it's starting to get dark outside, and then I'm going to grab a fresh pair of pajamas and take a quick rinse in the shower. I normally do my long showers in the morning, but at night I do like to do like a quick 5-minute rinse. I'm brushing my teeth, flossing, then I'm going to remove my makeup and wash my face. I'm gonna have all of the products that I'm using in the description box, so be sure to check that out. By the way, I did get a haircut and I am obsessed with the way it looks. It's so cute and so fresh, perfect for the summertime. Now it is time for skincare. This is my favorite part of the night. I love doing this. It's so relaxing. So as you can see, I'm a huge fan of Drunk Elephant products. I am using their serum and their moisturizer. For my eye cream, I'm using this one by Glow Recipe. It has retinol in it, which is why it's perfect for the nighttime. I'm drinking some more water because again, it is very important to stay hydrated. And then I'm going to lit up a candle. Before I start crafting, I'm going to put on something to watch. I have this habit of always watching something whenever I'm filming videos or crafting. Like I have to have something playing in the background. This is a habit of mine. So I am going to put on a show and then I'm going to take out my polymer clay, set everything up, and then we're gonna make some cute charms together. I love making charms and watching a show at night like this. It's really relaxing, but it's also very productive and creative. So it makes me feel like I'm doing something, but it's not like that stressful kind of like doing something. It's like, oh, you're watching a show and you're making like cute charms and like it feels nice and it's how I like to unwind. So I'm making a little frog charm and then I'm also going to make a bumblebee charm. I'm gonna bake these little cuties in the oven. This is a toaster oven. I think I bought this 10 years ago when I first started making polymer clay charms. I only use these for charm making, by the way. And yeah, once they are out of the oven, I am going to finish them off with some acrylic paint. So I'm adding the eyes and face and blush. I'm going to seal in the paint using a gloss varnish. Here are the completed charms, and now that I'm done, I'm going to quickly clean everything up. It's about 10 o'clock now, and I am so tired. I'm gonna go to bed now. I wake up at 6 a.m. Yes, I am that person who wakes up at 6 in the morning. When I'm in bed, I do like to journal, and I also track my habits for the day. And I do also like to scroll on my phone. I love Instagram and TikTok, and I continue to do that up until like 10:30ish, and then I finally go to sleep. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My username is allthingsnim. I would really appreciate it if you could follow me. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.